When you first launch the app, you'll see an option to continue and try the demo. I'd recommend using the 7-day free trial first, so you can explore everything before deciding to pay. After the trial ends, simply reopen the app and note down your MAC address and device key. Next, open your browser and go to IBO Player website. From there, click on Manage Playlist and log in using your MAC address and device key. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the IBO Player dashboard. Now, go to Activate Device and choose your preferred payment method. Just make sure to read all instructions carefully before proceeding. After that, fill in your details like your full name, email, and phone number. The activation is available as a subscription option, usually around €5 for 1 year or €10 for a lifetime license. Once activation is complete, you'll be redirected to your control panel. From here, you can manage everything, including your playlists. Now let's move on to adding your IPTV playlist. Before that, it's important to understand one thing. IBO Player is only a media player. It doesn't provide any channels or content on its own, so you'll need your own IPTV subscription to stream anything. Head over to Manage Playlists. Right now, you'll see no playlist to show, which means nothing has been added yet. On the right side, you'll find options like Add Playlist, Add XC Playlist. Click on Add Playlist to continue. Now the playlist setup form will appear. Enter your playlist name, then paste your M3U URL and hit Save. Once saved, your playlist will be added to the system.